Damn, look at all this shit. Now I can tell throughout the years they've been adding wood to the back of the fence to stop their growth. They had some of that brick tile shit right there. That's really gonna stop the growth? I don't fucking think so. And then look how close that tree was planted to the fence line. That makes no sense at all. So I think those two trees are okay. I didn't even realize how big this tree was. The palm tree right there. Look at that shit. God damn. See, they put all kinds of extra wood and fucking plywood and goddamn tile to try to stop their growth. Mm-mm. Where the hell did the shower doors come from? All right, sports fans. Day one, project replace back fence is complete. So what they've done is they've removed the entire old fence, set up the post so they can start actually putting the fence together tomorrow. Jesus Christ, look at that concrete. So everybody's exposed. My neighbor to the south, my neighbor to the west. And look at these guys' backyard, man. Have you ever seen any shit like this in your life? Look at this. Foliage. All this will be replaced tomorrow. All the way to the back corner. And what are they going to do? All these roots and everything that are totally infringing. They have to be cut back. Shit. I'm worried about this infringing on the new fence. Damn. I don't know. I have to talk about that with the contractors. And probably the neighbors too. Anyway, this is done by the other neighbor. And then we've got this then. We're gonna put another gate back here so that there's two gate accesses. And that'll complete the project. Stay tuned for part 2. All right, sports fans, the gate is done. So we added this additional gate to get in the backyard for contractors and such. And the work is finally complete. Here we go. How's that for an upgrade? Heck yeah. Property value. Look at that. Makes that AstroTurf look so much better too. Clean. Loving it. So we're dual gated up now. And there it is.